Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Noi B. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So we're just gonna jump right in. We have a story time from a bestie. Somebody got their finger bit off. Like, y'all, it gets so crazy, but let's get right into the story. This is like a first impression. I haven't really read it, I just skimmed over it, but yeah, let's jump right in. Hey bestie, I'm finally getting around to a ratchet/scary story time with me and my friends. Here it goes. It was my 20th birthday and I'm a November Scorpio. Where I live, it's cold around that time of the year. My birthday was on a Sunday, so me and my friends, let's name them Kia and Nicole, got our nails and hair done. That Thursday and Friday before the weekend. We were planning to be lit and cute. At the time, Nicole and I were at Target, a seasonal type contract through this temporary staffing agency, and Kia had a security job. Okay, so they were both working seasonal at Target and the other friend Kia had a security job. Anyway, it was my birthday, so we just wanted to have fun. Saturday, I went over to Kia and Nicole's apartment to get dressed because at the time I was still living at home and not on my own, so their spot was free to do what you want. We grown. I feel you. It's lit when you have friends that have their own place. Since it was my birthday and I was a hot girl, I had on this gray fluffy tutu skirt and black low-cut short-sleeve shirts and a black low-cut short-sleeve shirt, 5 or 6 inch stilettos. Girl, 5 or 6 inch stilettos. Wow. A whole mess, lol. And my girls were dressed the same or worse. Mind you, it's fall, almost winter. So Nicole's boyfriend brung us some green, okay, period, to get the party started, but we needed some out drinks, you know, a little bit of liquor. And none of us was old enough to get it. So we said, let's take a chance and walk to the bar. So we walked about 3 blocks in our hoe-wear, heels, and little fox leather jackets, cold as hell, to the bar. We stood out there like crackheads. Not crackheads, asking everybody to get us drinks, but no one would. In my neighborhood, we were known at the local bar and could go and purchase anything, no problem. None of us had vehicles at the time, so we did what we knew. Luckily, my cousin lived about a block away, so we strutted to her house and she gladly took us to the bar. We told her to get us 2 gallons of Long Island 2 gallons of Long Island iced tea pre-mixed drink. It was cheap and it got us extra lit. She was even nice enough to drive us back to Kia and Nicole's house. We get there and we just vibing, but that gets boring, so being the little hot ass girls we were, I decided to invite our Target boys. They agreed that they would come and I told them to bring an extra person because Kia wouldn't have anyone to link with. But this wasn't our first time chilling or linking, so Kia was familiar with them. Okay, that's good. But when they arrived, it was 4 of them and 3 of us, so they did come with an extra person that us girls didn't know. Anyway, a short time after they arrived, the vibe was already off with the new guy. He was already lit and he wasn't just drunk. This man popped a pill or something. Oh my God. He was overly aggressive and Kia don't play that at all, as she shouldn't. She was top flight security of the world. Oh, because Kia is the one that's the security guard, guys. But anyway, as the minute passed, we noticed Nicole and pill popping animal on the patio and things looked heated. So Kia and I got out there and he's calling Nicole all types of and hoes because she's turning down his advances. Why do men do that? I really don't understand why men do that when you turn them down. All of a sudden, you ugly now to them. It's real crazy, but let's continue. So Kia and I started cussing him out, and he swung on Kia, and it was over. We all started fighting. No way. He swung on Kia? Yeah, it's over. We all started fighting him. Eventually, the other boys broke it up and dragged him out the house to the parking lot, but we wasn't done. We started trying to bust his head with bottles and all until we heard gunshots go off. Yo. Then everyone's attention. That got everyone's attention. We chilled. By then, the police was pulling up. The neighbors called the police on us. They talked to us, and that's when we realized the damage the pill popper done. He bit Kia's finger down to the... Wait a minute. Hold on, guys, because this is a... Wait a minute. He bit Kia's finger down to the white meat. He cracked half of my tooth. I recently got a root canal, so I had temporary fillings. And Nicole had a black eye. We not no police blank females, but after that ish, we told them that we wanted to press charges. The pill popper boy and the boy with the gun went to jail that night, but the other two went free. Hold on, y'all. Pause. You're telling me he bit Kia's finger down to the white meat, cracked your tooth, and gave the other friend a black eye? Okay. I'm telling you, this is my first reaction. Like, I did not see that when I skimmed white meat. I know it's nasty, but I really want to see a picture. Anyway, continuing. And my dumbass called my boyfriend crying after it all went down, LMAO, and I told him everything when he arrived. Crazy, I know. But it doesn't end there. So months to a year go by, and we all got subpoenas in the mail to appear for court. Well, like a day or two before the court date, some guy came to Kia and Nicole's apartment, telling them not to go to court or else. By this time, I got a stable government job and had to take off from work. Kia said she was still going and I was not, but Nicole said nope. She's not risking it. Anyway, court day arrives and Nicole and I was held in the hall until it was time for the stand. I had to go first. I remember the night verbatim, but when they asked me if the guy who caused all of this was sitting in the courtroom, I couldn't remember what he looked like. I could have easily said yes, it's the defendant, but I honestly could not remember. So I simply said I don't remember what he looks like. I said it was my birthday and we were under the influence of alcohol. Shortly after, they escorted me off the stand. When I got into the hallway, they quickly ushered Kia in the courtroom. While I was waiting, some of his family came out like, "You're a real one for that. Thanks for looking out." Honestly, I wanted to say go to hell, but I just say stale face waiting on my friend. Kia finally came out and I asked her how it went, and long story short, she sang like a canary. She said she even bought him sending people to her house. As she should. But I told her what I said and she was floored. She said I still should have lied and said it was him. But we never chilled with the Target boys again, and we are still friends on social media, but we've all grown and moved on. I can sit back and laugh now because that night was wild as hell. Y'all, okay. So, I'm happy that Kia didn't, get in trouble. I hope she didn't get in trouble for singing like a canary. Because if she did, that would... Wow. But... for real, that's a crazy story. I'm so glad that you can look back at it and laugh. But who's the girl that got her finger bit to the meat? Let me read back. Hold on. Kia, the one that got her finger bit down to the meat? Girl, I need to see her finger. Like, did she have to get her finger sewn back? I need more details. Bestie, we need more details, bestie. We need you to either email me or leave it in the comments, whatever you want to do, because I gotta know about Kia's finger. Like, what happened to Sis's finger? Oh my God, that story is so wild. Like, I would not know what to do if I looked in the mirror and saw that my tooth was cracked. I would probably, really try and kill that man. But, did he, apologize, too? Did he apologize? Did he offer to pay for the tooth and the finger damages? We need more details. But, girl, thank you so much for sending me this story. If you have any more crazy stories, I would love to hear them. And I'm sure the other besties would, too. I really appreciate you taking the time to, type this out. And everybody that sends me their stories, I really do appreciate it. But that is all for today, and today's Monday, so that means that I will see you guys on Thursday. So if you enjoyed today's story time, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.